Hey everybody, it's Cuba here, and today I have the gear ball, and I'm going to be unboxing it, and I already have the gear cube, and it's very nice, and I like it. So now I have bought the Mefferts gear ball, so yeah, let's open it up. Okay. Oh, this is nice. So, I guess the gear ball is like the gear cube, except all these pieces are filled in. So, yeah. And, yeah, put it there. Alright. So, as you can see, it says Mefferts. Can you see on the... Can't really see, but it says Mefferts on there. And on the back, it also says Oscar, so it's probably an Oscar Van Diemen cube. And also a Mefferts cube. So, yeah. The thing I love about the gear cube is in the gear ball now. That I always loved about the gear cube is like like the way it turns. It's super cool. So, yeah. So, I think it's really nice. And yeah. So it's pretty much this, the gear cube. The gear cube. It's pretty much the gear cube, but the gear cube with these pieces filled in with color. So on here, all the pieces are filled with color. So that one has the most of it filled with color. So yeah, I'll also be making a video on how to solve the gear cube. No, not this thing, because that would be way too hard because I just got it. But maybe if I figure out how to solve it, I'll show you. So yeah, let's mess with this. And I just did a couple moves and that's already mixed up a lot. Alright, so I got that. I realized it's actually not as easy as the... Oh wait. Ooh. Ah. And it's not solved yet, but all these are. There we go. Woo! Sorry about that. Alright, so yeah. That was a quick solve, so that's pretty much the same as solving the gear cube. It's a little trickier because you have to think about getting these in and the corners, not unlike the gear cube. So I'm going to mix it up even more now. Alright. Okay. But the thing about it is, I found that it's not as easy as a gear cube, but it's similar difficulty. So, yeah, I don't know, I don't have much to say about it. It's a really nice cube, I like it, and yeah, it's cool, and I think you should get it, and yeah, I highly recommend getting this cube. So, I'm going to solve it right quick. And yeah, so it's a really nice cube and I like it. So, and it came in this box, and yeah, you can get it at a local store, or I got it at Target, and yeah, it was by, oh, do you see this? It was an Oscar Van Deventer cube and a Mefferts cubes. So, yeah. So, it's nice, and yeah, I really like it. So, I think you guys should get it and play around with it, and yeah, it's definitely a cube that I love. So now I made the checkerboard button, just like you can do on a cube here. Here's my transparent MOU cube. This one isn't a very nice one, but this one's my nice one. This one is not very good as the other one. Actually, here, this one is much better. Yeah, because it's greased, and honestly, I like this one better than this one. Just because I greased this one, yeah. So here's the chicken board pattern on here, and yeah. So I hope you guys like my unboxing. Comment, subscribe, like, whatever you like to do. So yeah, and I'll be showing more videos like this. So yeah. Bye.